Hey everybody, Nick here. I got a great question from my friend Chris over on Teams. She said, Nick, can I create more than one chart in PowerPoint in the same pop-up spreadsheet? Or if I want 4 charts, do I need to create each one individually? This is a great question, Chris. You can't have them all in the same pop-up sheet from the same chart inside of PowerPoint, but I'm going to show you 2 different ways that I like to use to make my own PowerPoint chart templates to save you a lot of time in your work. So I'm going to go over here to my first slide, and I wanted to just show you these 2 examples. So right here, this is just a stock column chart. It's the template column chart that PowerPoint will give you, and I just put that right here on the slide. This is the same chart, but I made a few little design tweaks to this. So I made my axis labels kind of bold and a little bit larger in terms of the font size. I recolored everything so that everything is just kind of a muted shade of the single color. And then I kept the legend here, but I put it up onto the top and to the right. And you'll see I also left aligned my chart title. Remember, we always want our left aligned chart titles. So one of the best ways to make your chart template, the first way that I'm going to show you, is to save it as a template inside of PowerPoint. And when you do it this way, you'll also have access to the same template then in Excel and in your Word theme. So this is kind of like a nice advantage of this one right here. So once you are finished making all of your little design tweaks to your chart and you have a beautiful chart right here, perfect, what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click and click on Save as Template. Now you're gonna go ahead and save this. I'm gonna call it Basic Column Chart. And I've already saved one, so it's probably gonna say it already exists. Do you wanna replace it? I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. You won't have that on your end. And so now if I go and insert a new slide, I'm gonna do the to content slide right here. If I go to insert a new chart, I'm gonna go ahead and insert this chart, go up here to the thing that says templates, and then you'll see the template that you just saved. I'm gonna go ahead and click it and click OK. And now I have a beautiful column chart. The data source pops up, so now you can go ahead and you can edit your data as you have for your new chart. So you can use this chart in any of those software apps. Again, like I said, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. So it's a really nice way to just save. Once you have like really nice design tweaks to your charts, save as template. It's perfect right there in PowerPoint. The other thing that I often find myself doing is just make one chart and then use the same thing, copy and paste that chart over and over and over again. So I built this chart inside of PowerPoint. If you built it in Excel, you're going to want to make sure that you paste it in, but that you embed it so that that pop-up spreadsheet, that data source menu spreadsheet lives behind the scenes inside the PowerPoint file. So this was my chart again that I made inside of PowerPoint. I'm going to push Control-C to copy. Let's go ahead and just push Control-V to paste, and it's going to go right into there, into that content placeholder. And now I can right click and edit the data. Click on Edit Data, and the data source menu will pop up, and then I can go ahead and update that chart for new data. Now, I don't need to have it in a chart placeholder either. We can just go ahead and insert a blank slide layout right here. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to highlight that chart, Control-C to copy, and I'm going to go ahead and Control-V to paste it on the sheet. I can move it around however I want to, resize it, whatever you want to do. Right-click, and then click on Edit Data. You can also open the full Excel data sheet if you want to edit data in Excel, and the entire spreadsheet will pop up. That'll give you access to other editing type of capabilities inside of Excel if you want to, but you can go ahead and update the numbers right here. Just close, and it'll be updated in your chart. So, Chris, I hope this helps. 2 different ways to think about making chart templates, your own chart templates inside of PowerPoint. It will save you precious minutes and hours in your charting, especially if you start creating the same kind of chart over and over and over again with that data. So everyone out there, if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. Had a great time making this for you. Can't wait to see you all next time.